This video is about complex numbers. They are not as complicated as their name suggests, and in fact, they are quite simple. The word complex is misleading. It means consisting of many different and connected parts, or a system of linked things. Complex numbers are simpler than this definition. A complex number, C, looks like A plus BI, where A and B are real numbers on the number line. It combines a real part and an imaginary part. Squaring a number means multiplying it by itself. For example, 5 squared is 25, and minus 3 squared is plus 9. The question is, what two numbers multiply to give minus 1? We allocate a letter for this number. The letter I is defined as the square root of minus 1. We conventionally use I or J to represent this number, meaning I asterisk I equals minus 1. If I is a number, where does it belong? We didn't see it on the real number line shown earlier. Well, here it is plotted off the real number line. It's surprisingly simple. The real number line can be thought of as numbers for babies, and the extended plane as numbers for adults. So I is a real number existing on a number line that is orthogonal to the real numbers. Orthogonality in mathematics is the generalization of perpendicularity. Essentially, orthogonal means the same as perpendicular, meeting at 90 degrees. We can put all multiples of I on this orthogonal line, specifically B multiples of I. The imaginary line is simply an orthogonal line of real numbers, representing multiples of the square root of minus 1. The number B lives here. Combining the real and the real orthogonal lines creates a plane. This is the complex plane. These, quote, plane numbers, A plus BI, can also be called orthogonal numbers, as they exist on a plane defined by two perpendicular axes. The complex plane is simple. It is certainly not complex in the common sense of the word. Better terms for quote, 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 plane numbers include plane numbers, orthogonal numbers, 2D numbers with a second component of the square root of minus 1, or circular numbers due to their mathematical properties.